Lesson 9, page 30 and 31. Both of these songs are in regular C position. They're both in 3/4 time, meaning we're going to be counting to 3 over and over, and the bottom 4 tells you that the quarter note gets 1 count. Notice the hand position is the same for both songs. The difference really is, on Gumball Machine, you'll be starting with your right hand thumb, and on Early to Bed, you start with your left hand thumb. The stems are going down here. There are dotted half notes which get 3 counts, and the quarter notes get 1, and the regular half notes get 2 counts. Those half notes, you're going to count 1, 2. Here you count 1, 2, 3. On this song here, we're not going to play after the double bar line. Okay, we're just not going to play that note at all. We're going to end right here after this note and not play that note. Let's play Gumball Machine. 1, 2, 3. Back to the beginning. To play the duet, so go an octave higher from the top. 1, 2, 3. Back to the beginning. Early to Bed will begin with a left hand thumb. 1, 2, 3. And that's it. We're not going to play after the double bar line. Go an octave higher with the duet now. 1, 2, 3. All right, and now we're going to go on to page 11 and 12 in the Performance 1A book. And Cloud Pictures on page 11 has the right thumb on D and the left thumb on C. These are left hand notes, right hand. Okay, this is left hand here, that's right hand, and that's back to the left hand at the end. And we're going to play piano very softly here. Dotted half notes get 3 counts. So our position now is the left thumb here, the right thumb is here. Starting with your left thumb. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Left hand 4. Back to the beginning. Okay, now we're going to go an octave higher and play this as a duet. We're now up here like this. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Back to the beginning. And now we're going to go to the pink piano book. And we're going to be playing pages 24 and 25 today. So on page 24, I'd like to see if you can name these white keys before I tell you what it is. Okay, so you're going to think this note now. What is this one? C. F. B. G. D. A. E. The names of the notes in C position are C, D, E, F, G. Okay, I'd like you to see if you can name this note and tell me how many beats it gets before I tell you what it is. Whole note, 4 counts. Quarter note, 1 count. Dotted half note, 3 counts. Half note, 2 counts. Now see if you can fill in this blank. In a time signature, the top number tells how many beats or counts, could be beats, could be counts, in a measure. The bottom number tells what kind of note gets 1 beat or 1 count. Okay. On page 25, this is a staff, right? 5 lines and 4 spaces, they're numbered here. Line notes can be below the staff and they can be above the staff too. It's any note that has a line going through it. Any note is called a line note, even if it's above the staff or below it. And a note that does not have a line through it is called a space note. Like there's 4 space notes on the staff, but there's more than that. It's really any note that does not have a line through it, below or above the staff, we call that a space note. The treble clef looks like this, the bass clef looks like this. The treble clef is for high sounds. It means something's going to be basically in this part of the piano, over in here. And the bass clef here is for the low sounds, which is this part of the piano. Now on a piano, this middle area from here to here, there can be treble clef notes down in here, and there can be bass clef notes up in here. So it crisscrosses, they overlap. And so especially like right in here, we really have to know the bass and treble clef notes in this area, which we're going to be learning eventually, how that works. You'll see that when you get into the advanced piano class. All right, so let's go on now to the technique book. The pink technique book looks like this, pages 4 and 5. I'm going to play a little faster today. We're going to play this twice. This is in 2/4 time. We're going to count to 2 over and over again. This is in 3/4 time. We're going to count to 3 over and over again. Dotted half notes get 3 counts. The merry-go-round, notice that there's skips here, right? And it changes back to steps. And then there's skips in here and changes to steps. And this is going to be counted to 4. This is also in 4/4 time, so we're going to count to 4 on this one too. Circus Clown's going to start with the left hand, and then the right hand plays here. We're going to play a little faster than we're used to. Let's see if we can do that today now. We got our fingers just like this. Okay, 1, 2, ready, play. Ocean Octopus on the bottom of page 4. 1, 2, 3. The merry-go-round on page 5. 1, 2, ready, play. Back to the beginning. Circus Clown, 1, 2, ready, play. playing page 10 and 11 in the performance book right here. So page 10 is Halloween Fun, and this is the same notes on both pages. They look different. I mean, it looks like it's different words. It looks like different pictures too, but the notes are exactly the same. We have skips in the beginning of each line, then it changes to steps. It starts off in skips here, changes to steps. And here it starts off in skips, changes to steps. This is skips here, and it goes to steps there. The whole notes get 4 counts. The half notes get 2 counts. You got to count 1, 2. And those quarter notes each get 1 count. Notice things going up and down. Feel to the right when the notes go up, this way, and feel to the left when they go down. Do not look at my fingers. Do not look at your fingers either. Just watch the score. Also, don't even look at the words to the song. 1, 2, ready, play.